We are today in front of a Harman 52i. It's the Accentra model. It's the insert. It's an attractive unit. This unit was installed the year I was in college when I was installing these. So 25 years ago. Let's take a look at its operation, its functions, and how it works real quick. The pellet stove is vented into a zero clearance can, and it's removed from the can with a buckle on the left and right side. You have to snap it open, and then I recommend closing it. You do that on both sides. We're not going to do it right now because it's burning. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you how you put it back. You kind of put a finger in there and then grab it, and you'll hear it snap. Now it's latched back in, and a docking gasket will keep the exhaust sealed properly. I want to go over specifically two tools. We got this one right here, which is an exhaust cleaning tool, which when these inner panels are removed, they go down the left side and the right side, and the exhaust is vacuumed out the back. And then this guy right here comes with the appliance. It's used to scrape the inside heat exchange as well. So you'll need those two tools. They come with the appliance. Let's look quickly at the operation of the appliance. It's got 3 dials and a switch. It's very complicated. Listen to this award-winning speech on how it works. Your main feed adjuster knob. It is recommended that this be set between 3 and 4, and you leave it alone. If you need to put it in test mode, you swing it down to test. That is all systems go on high for 60 seconds, alternating to all systems go on a low setting for 60 seconds. Every time any of these components receives electricity, its light comes on. So right now, the distribution, combustion, and feed motor are all receiving power except the igniter. The power light's helpful. When you plug it in, you know you have power. So over here to the wall plug, then you immediately get your power. Status means it's trying to do something. It's, in this case, operating. Okay, that's one dial. The switch, you've got auto or manual. If the unit has a functioning igniter, leave this in the auto mode. If it dies on a holiday weekend, you can't get a hold of anybody, you switch it to manual, and you manually ignite it with some gel lighter fluid and a handful of pellets. Now, there's a feed adjuster, and then there's the selector mode. So your stove can be operated in one of 3 modes: off, room temp, or down to stove temp. Let's explore this. When you're in room temp, there's L and H for low and high fan, and you may be able to hear that the convection fan moving right there. There's also low and high fan in stove temp mode. Now, if you're in room temp mode, you read the outside set of numbers 50 through 90 over here on the selector. So for right now, I'm saying I'm in room temp, low fan, if you could hear it dial down, and then I'm at 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So this thing will come on and off to try and achieve a target temperature of 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, stove temp. So let's turn down stove temp on the high setting. Now I'm going to read the numbers 1 through 7 over here. It doesn't matter if you're on low or high. It's 1 through 7 is the arbitrary heat setting and the adjuster knob. All right, so just a quick tutorial on how the control board works on a Harman Accentra 52i. It's true of most of the Harman brand products that are pre-electronic and Wi-Fi. All the new ones are electronic and Wi-Fi, and there's not very many videos out there on how these old beauties work. This is 25 years old, fired up like a champ, works great, parts readily available. These are great units, and I hope this video will help you as you operate your pellet stove in your home.